The problem with conventional stud spacing. Traditional wood-framed houses are typically built with 2x4 studs spaced 16 inches on center. While this method has been the standard for decades, it comes with two significant drawbacks. Thermal bridging. Every stud is a solid piece of wood that conducts heat more easily than insulation. More studs mean more thermal bridges, lowering the wall's true R value. Wasted materials. Closer spacing means more lumber and more labor, even though structural requirements can often be met with fewer studs. Studies show that a 2x4 wall insulated with R13 bats actually delivers a whole wall R value of only R9.4 when thermal bridging and framing losses are considered. That's just 72% of its rated performance. The 2x6 at 24 inches alternative research and building science confirm that 2x6 studs at 24 inches on center provide sufficient structural support while solving the insulation and efficiency problems of conventional spacing. This technique reduces the number of studs by about 1/3, increases cavity depth, allowing insulation to be upgraded from R13 to R19, cuts lumber use, and reduces labor. Simulations show this framing method delivers a whole wall R value of R15.2 with R19 bats, or 80% of the rated R value. The improvement comes from fewer studs and thicker insulation. Switching from 2x4 16-inch spacing to 2x6 24-inch spacing alone can yield 11% energy savings. Combined with other advanced framing methods, savings can reach 13% or more. In one study of a 2,910 square foot home, lumber use dropped by 1,634 board feet. Direct cost savings were $171 for this measure alone. With additional advanced techniques, single top plates, 2 stud corners, open headers, the home saved $107 in lumber costs. Labor savings are also significant. Fewer studs mean fewer cuts, fewer drill holes, and less time handling materials. In production building, these efficiencies can save up to $1,000 per home in materials and labor. Integration with other advanced framing techniques. 2x6 studs at 24 inches are part of a larger package of advanced framing strategies, including insulated corners with 2 studs instead of 3, open and insulated headers sized appropriately for load, minimal framing around windows and doors by aligning openings with stud spacing, single top plates connected with plates or splices, 24-inch spacing for interior walls, floor joists, and rafters to align with a 2-foot grid. When the entire house is designed on a 2-foot module, sheet goods like plywood, OSB, and insulation panels fit without cutting, reducing material waste. Code compliance and practical considerations permitted in most jurisdictions. 2x6 at 24-inch spacing has long been recognized by building codes, especially in colder climate zones, IECC zones 5-8. Limitations in hurricane zones. Some coastal regions require closer spacing, 16 inches on center, for wind resistance. Builders must always confirm with local code officials. Implementation details matter. Framing elevations, detailed drawings, and contract specifications are critical to ensure framers build according to the advanced design. The bottom line is this: switching to 2x6 studs at 24 inches on center is one of the easiest ways to build a home that's stronger, more energy efficient, and more cost-effective. Combine it with other advanced framing techniques, and you're not just saving materials, you're building better houses.